Hello friends, I'm Neeraj here. I welcome you all to this inspiration and education channel. In today's class, in this particular video, I will tell you a short story and the moral of the story will be shared at the end of this, okay? So here is the story that once upon a time there was a king, and we all know that king generally have some crazy ideas, crazy questions which they ask their ministers to answer, okay? So this king got an idea to felicitate a prominent personality in his entire kingdom. So he called upon all his ministers in the palace and started a meeting. And he asked to his ministers that please reply me that whom should we felicitate as the prominent personality in the entire kingdom. Hearing to these questions, one of the ministers stand up and says, O king, we should felicitate all the laborers in our kingdom because we the thinkers will not be able to execute our ideas without the help of the laborers. So we should felicitate the laborers of our entire kingdom. Okay. So another minister stand up and says, no, I object this. We should not felicitate the laborers. Instead of that, we should felicitate the soldiers of our kingdom because it is the soldiers who protect our kingdom from the rivals. So we should felicitate all the soldiers in our kingdom. Another minister suddenly stand up and said, no, I don't agree with all these things. We should felicitate the software engineers of our kingdom because if the software engineers will not be in this kingdom, then the situation will be, it will be very difficult for a king to manage all the 100, means more than 100 villages, okay, without visiting to that particular village. So it will be very difficult for a king to manage all the villages without visiting to that particular village. So we should felicitate the software engineers. Suddenly another minister stand up and says, no, I don't agree with this. We should not felicitate all these things, that we should felicitate business people in our kingdom because if there is no business, we cannot generate wealth in our kingdom. So after hearing all his ministers, the king got into a dilemma. But we all know that for every Akbar, there is a Birbal. So the king asked the minister whom he have tremendous and doubtless trust. So the king asked that particular minister, now I am in a dilemma. So please help me out. Please answer the questions that whom we should felicitate as a prominent personality in our entire kingdom. So now that particular minister stand up and says, O king, please give me half an hour. I will come up with an answer. And he went outside the palace. So the king along with all the ministers waited for that particular minister to come back again. Okay. So after half an hour, the minister entered into the palace. After entering the minister, an old man, nearly his age will be more than 85 years old, okay, nearly 85, 86 year old, he entered into the palace. So within 20 to 30 seconds, the old man had entered into the palace. All the ministers stand up in his respect. Seeing this, the king asked the Birbal type minister that who is this old man who is getting so much of respect in this palace, that all the ministers had stand up in his respect. And then the minister looks into the eyes of the king and said, while most of the ministers were saying to felicitate the business people, software engineers, soldiers, here is the teacher who taught all these people. He is the teacher who made all the features who are sitting inside this palace. So dear friends, in this video we learn that every person is shaped by a teacher. Even a teacher is shaped by another teacher. So here is a very good proverb that God creates and teacher recreates.
हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल बटन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हमारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप तक जल्द से जल्द पहुंचे।